This is how I use ClickUp to stay consistent and organized as a content creator. Step 1. Track those projects. As content creators, we are working on numerous projects all at the same time. To keep up to date, we need to know what stage each of the projects is at so we can decide what to work on next. We need to know which projects are still ideas, which projects are completed and ready to post, and even which projects we have actually scheduled and completed. Well, ClickUp allows you to keep track of all your projects by using statuses. You can customize statuses to match your own workflow and even see these in different views. But to get you started, why don't you use my statuses? I have idea, in progress, ready, scheduled, and completed. Using ClickUp and implementing statuses means you are one step closer to being consistent and organized. Have you ever lost a script? It is so annoying, but doing this next step means that you will always be able to find your scripts. Step 2, using documents for your scripts. In order to stay consistent and organized, it is imperative that you keep everything in one application. This way, you are not swapping between applications trying to find things, especially if it's your scripts. Well, with ClickUp, you can add a document to each of your tasks or projects, meaning that the script is always right next to your content. When using documents for scripts, you can change the color, you can change the size of your font, you can even have different background colors for certain sections of your script, meaning that they are far easier to read. And if you name them correctly, they are really easy to find using ClickUp's excellent search everywhere command. With all this at your disposal on a free program, why are you using anything else? I tell you what is a wonderful sight, seeing all your content in a calendar view all ready to go. How do I achieve this? Well, step 3, using calendar view to track your content. As a content creator, I need to see that overview of the whole month. I need to see when my content is scheduled to be posted, and I also need to see at a glance which tasks I need to work on, which projects are ready to go, and which have already been scheduled. Well, ClickUp has a calendar view so you can see all of that. The actual projects are coloured by the status, so you can see which ones are just ideas, which ones you are working on, and which ones are completed or ready to post. You can use the Add button to create ideas or projects or content straight in the calendar view, and if something is in the wrong place, you can just left click and drag it to where it needs to be. It is so simple to use and so effective. I'm surprised not every content creator is using it. Well, maybe the best ones already are. And that's it, how to use ClickUp as a content creator. I hope you found that useful, and if you want to see a video all about different statuses, then watch this video next.